A follow-up audit ensures that corrective actions taken after an audit are effective and that nonconformities do not reoccur. It helps organizations verify compliance, measure improvements, and maintain long-term quality and regulatory standards. In this lesson, we'll cover 1. What is a follow-up audit and why is it important? 2. Key steps in conducting a follow-up audit. 3. How to verify the effectiveness of corrective actions. 4. Best practices for sustainable compliance. By following these steps, organizations can ensure corrective actions lead to real, lasting improvements. 1. What is a follow-up audit and why is it important? A follow-up audit is an assessment conducted after corrective actions have been implemented to verify if nonconformities have been properly addressed, whether corrective actions are effective and sustainable, if compliance with standards has been restored, whether new risks or process weaknesses have emerged. 2 key steps in conducting a follow-up audit. Step 1. Review the original nonconformities. Identify the issues found in the previous audit. Review the root cause analysis and corrective action plan. Step 2. Verify corrective actions implementation. Check if corrective actions were completed on time. Review documentation, process changes, and training records. Step 3. Assess the effectiveness of corrective actions. Determine whether the problem has been fully resolved. Conduct interviews, process observations, and sample testing. Step 4. Identify any new or residual risks. Ensure that corrective actions did not introduce new risks. Check for process consistency across teams and shifts. Step 5. Document follow-up audit findings. Prepare a follow-up audit report summarizing verified corrective actions, effectiveness of changes, any remaining issues or new risks, recommendations for further improvements. 3. How to verify the effectiveness of corrective actions. Compare pre-audit and post-audit data. Measure performance improvements in key metrics. Observe real-world process changes. Verify if employees are consistently following the new process. Conduct interviews and employee feedback sessions. Confirm whether employees understand and apply the new changes. Perform random spot checks. Ensure corrective actions are consistently implemented. 4. Best practices for sustainable compliance. Schedule follow-up audits based on risk level. Major nonconformities, follow up within 30-60 days. Minor nonconformities, follow up within 90 to 180 days. Integrate corrective actions into daily operations. Ensure changes are part of standard operating procedures, SOPs. Use continuous monitoring and data analysis. Implement automated tracking systems for compliance metrics. Train employees and reinforce awareness. Conduct refresher training sessions to maintain process adherence. Key takeaways. Follow-up audits confirm the effectiveness of corrective actions and ensure compliance is restored. A structured follow-up process includes reviewing past findings, verifying actions, and checking for residual risks. Measuring process improvements, conducting observations, and tracking performance data ensures long-term compliance. Best practices like risk-based scheduling, employee training, and continuous monitoring help sustain improvements. By conducting follow-up audits, organizations can prevent repeat issues, strengthen compliance, and achieve long-term quality excellence. In the next lesson, we'll explore how to integrate audit findings into continuous improvement initiatives.